Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is IT Makeover. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how to trim unwanted hair out of our brow to make it look perfect. And I have my beautiful model here. Her name is Success. Success, can you please say hi to my YouTube friends?
Hi.
So you have to stay tuned so that you can get the step by step on how to carve the unwanted hair out of the brow. So the materials we need is your brush and razor blade. I advise you should make use of soft blade so that you can easily bend it while trimming the hair. Brush all the hair upward. Then you start the trimming from the down part of the brow. You trim out the excess hair out of the brow to make everything, because so all those excess hair while drawing your brow will make your brow look rough and it will be somehow, so it doesn't make it look neat at all. So I advise you start the trimming from the down part of the hair. Now you comb down all the hair downward, comb it downward and trim out the excess hair. Trim it out. After that, you comb it up again. Then you trim out the excess hair again from the upper part of the brow. Make sure you are careful because some people has a very soft skin, so that you won't wound them. Be careful with the skin, and you should be careful with the blade. That's why I advise you should make use of the soft blade while trimming the brow. Make it visually nice, but I will advise you buy a very nice blade. Buy this. If you use this side, you can easily use the other side. You cut it out and throw the ones that you have used away. Then you make use of this one. You can easily bend it and you can easily straight, so it's okay for brow trimming. Repeat. Look at this middle. Trim out the hair out. Repeat the same process like the first side with the second side. You trim out the down part of the brow to make your brow neat. Be careful with the skin so that you won't wound your client. So you go to the upper part. So you make use of brush down the from up down, brush it downward and trim out the excess hair. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share. Please help my brand. Let me continue with the content by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't just watch and go. Please just help and subscribe. Like my videos and comment. Ask question. I've not been seeing any question on my videos, and I want you guys to ask me question, and I promise I'm going to answer you in a polite way. I love you guys so much. And I cherish you guys. Please stream till you get, you know, if you want to draw your brow, your shaping of the brow determines what you're going to draw on your client's face. If you shape it very well, it's going to give you a very nice shape when drawing your brow.